Let's take a look at some cool gadgets that are useful, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or cool designs, there's something here for everyone. Meet the Hulala Home EliteNest, the ultimate smart modular sofa designed for comfort and convenience. This isn't just a sofa, it's a home entertainment hub packed with premium features. Need a cold drink? The built-in mini fridge keeps your refreshments within arm's reach, while the Bluetooth audio system surrounds you with crystal clear audio. With dual motor power recliners, you can effortlessly adjust to the perfect lounging position. Wireless charging pads and USB ports keep your devices powered without messy cables. The eco-friendly, stain-resistant fabric ensures long-lasting durability, while its modular design lets you rearrange it to fit any space. Hidden storage compartments provide plenty of room for blankets, remotes, and more. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just relaxing, the Hulala Home EliteNest takes your living space to the next level. Tired of vacuuming and mopping? Meet the roborock Saros 10, the ultimate cleaning robot that does it all, so you don't have to. With Retract Sense navigation, it maps your home with pinpoint accuracy, while the upward rangefinder helps it avoid obstacles with ease. Its ultra-thin design means it can clean under furniture without getting stuck. Got high thresholds? No problem. The industry-first AdaptiLift chassis allows it to cross barriers up to 4 centimeters high. And with Duo Divide main brushes, it sweeps up dirt efficiently. For mopping, the auto-detaching mop and smart adaptive elevation ensure precise cleaning. With 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction and 4,000 times per minute dual sonic mopping, it tackles tough messes effortlessly. The Rock Duo Ultra system empties dust automatically, while 80-degree dynamic mop washing and 60-degree heated air drying keep everything fresh. Plus, it's voice assistant compatible for total hands-free control. The roborock Saros 10 is smarter, stronger, and completely hassle-free. Meet the Beats Powerbeats Pro 2, your ultimate workout companion. Built for athletes, designed for performance, and packed with features to keep you in the zone. First off, comfort. These earbuds are 20% lighter than the original, with an improved nickel titanium ear hook for a secure, flexible fit, no matter how intense your workout gets. And with multiple ear tip sizes, you'll get a perfect, customized seal for top-tier sound isolation. Speaking of sound, Beats has stepped it up. The adaptive noise cancellation blocks distractions, while transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings when needed. And for the first time ever, Beats Powerbeats Pro 2 features built-in heart rate monitoring. The precision-crafted LED optical sensors track your pulse over 100 times per second, syncing seamlessly with your favorite fitness apps. Battery? It's got up to 45 hours with the charging case, now 33% smaller and wireless charging ready. And of course, they're sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating. With the Powerbeats Pro 2, you get unbeatable fit, pro-level sound, and next-gen fitness tracking. Imagine turning your living room into a cinematic powerhouse. Meet the Black Warrior 4K RGB, 3DG TV and KTV laser projector, built for next-level entertainment. First up, crystal clear 4K resolution, paired with HDR10 dynamic imaging, bringing every scene to life with ultra-vibrant colors and deep contrasts. And with RGB laser technology, you get true-to-life visuals without the dullness of traditional projectors. Love 3D movies? Get ready for a naked-eye 3D viewing experience, no glasses required. It's theatre-level immersion, right at home. And speaking of immersion, pro-grade audio takes things up a notch. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or belting out karaoke, the Pro KTV chip and dual mics ensure top-tier sound clarity. Setup is effortless with automatic T-shape correction and autofocus, giving you pin-sharp visuals from any angle. Plus, the rotatable bass lets you adjust with ease. At just 26 decibels, it's whisper quiet, so you hear every dialogue, soundtrack, and explosion without annoying fan noise. And with long-lasting battery life, your movie marathons won't get interrupted. The MUVNA Mach hand crank espresso machine is where precision engineering meets barista-level performance, all powered by your hands. Designed with clean industrial aesthetics, this machine features a solid metal body for durability and a gear-driven pressure system that ensures even, stable extraction every time. At its heart is a 58mm professional brewing head, maximizing coffee contact for a perfect pressure gradient, allowing each grain to release its full essence. The result? Bold, aromatic espresso with every pull. Customization is key. Adjust the pressure, temperature, and pre-soak settings to create your signature flavor. Whether you prefer a smooth creamer or a robust shot, the shaking frequency control lets you fine-tune every detail. Thanks to its high-precision mechanical design, the gear system provides effortless torque for a smooth, labor-saving experience. The ergonomic crank ensures comfort while maintaining complete control over extraction. With its one-piece metal construction and intuitive interface, even beginners can master the art of espresso making. No electricity needed, just you, the machine, and the perfect cup. Meet the DREAME X50 Ultra, the ultimate robot vacuum and mop, designed to take hands-free cleaning to the next level. Equipped with robotic retractable legs, it seamlessly crosses thresholds and obstacles up to 2.36 inches, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Need to clean under furniture? No problem. The VersaLift navigation system lowers the X50 Ultra to just 3.5 inches, allowing it to glide effortlessly under sofas and tables. Its AI-powered camera with LED guidance ensures precise navigation, avoiding obstacles with ease. Tired of hair tangles? The Duo Brush system handles long hairs up to 11.8 inches effortlessly. The air duct design flings and sucks up hair, while two separate brushes work together for a deep, tangle-free clean. With 20,000 PA Vormax suction, this powerhouse tackles everything from crumbs to pet hair, and its fluid dynamic design keeps things whisper quiet. It even extends both its brush and mop to clean corners and low spaces, ensuring a spotless home. Plus, with 5 carpet care modes, you can customize cleaning for pristine floors without damage. The REDMAGIC Go Power Bank is a powerhouse in a sleek, futuristic design. Compact yet powerful, it packs a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay charged on the go. With 65-watt GAN fast charging, it doubles as a high-speed wall charger. The built-in USB-C cable supports 20-watt fast charging, and an extra USB-C port lets you power up 2 devices simultaneously. Plus, PD 3.0 and Quick Charge 4.0 ensure ultra-fast, efficient charging. Smart power management and advanced safety features keep your devices protected. Meet the Unifydrive UT2, the ultimate portable NAS storage solution built for creators on the go. If you're constantly shooting in different locations, backing up footage can be a hassle. But with the UT2, that's a thing of the past. This pocket-sized one-click backup device comes with a built-in battery, so you can store and access your files without needing an internet connection. With up to 16 terabytes of storage, it can handle massive raw video files from multiple cameras with ease. The UT2 offers 2 backup modes: FLNAS drive mode, which works completely offline, and Wi-Fi mode, giving you a traditional network-attached storage experience. Plus, AI-powered file organization keeps everything sorted automatically. Need to share files? The UT2 creates its own network, letting you distribute content instantly without relying on external cloud services. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or content creator, the Unifydrive UT2 ensures your data stays safe, accessible, and always backed up. Speed meets style. The REDMAGIC 10 Pro LightSpeed is where gaming power and minimalist design collide. With a pure white finish and RGB lighting, it's built to stand out. Under the hood, a Snapdragon powerhouse, ultra-responsive 144Hz AMOLED display, and advanced cooling system for peak performance. Designed for serious gamers, This is REDMAGIC's DNA, redefined, fast, stylish, and built to dominate. REDMAGIC 10 Pro LightSpeed. Next level gaming starts now. The Movespeed Guard GD10 is the ultimate portable SSD designed for speed, security, and convenience. With one-click unlock, your data is protected at all times. No hassle, just instant access. Need to find your drive? One-click tracking via Apple's Find My ensures you'll never lose it. And for those moments of stress, the built-in fidget slider lets you stay focused while working. Performance? Insane. With 1050 megabytes per second speeds, you can transfer a 1 gigabyte file in just 1 second. Perfect for 4K ProRes video editing on the go. Shockproof, dustproof, and water-resistant, the GD10's metal casing is built for tough environments, so you can work anywhere with confidence. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.